Introduction. The text is about repair cafes, where people repair broken items instead of throwing them away. These cafes help people learn repair skills, reduce waste, save money, and protect the environment. Volunteers repair clothes, bicycles, toys, furniture, and electrical appliances with visitors. The text explains why repairing things is important for a sustainable future and how repair cafes are helping people appreciate their belongings again. Summary. The lesson, "Don't throw things away, fix them," is about repair cafes and the importance of repairing broken things instead of throwing them away. Today, many people throw away items that are only slightly damaged or worn out. This creates large amounts of waste in landfill sites and rubbish dumps. Many people do this because repairing items is expensive or because they do not know how to fix things themselves. Repair cafes were created to solve this problem. A repair cafe is a free meeting place where people bring broken items from home and repair them with the help of expert volunteers. These volunteers have repair skills in many areas such as fixing clothes, bicycles, furniture, electrical appliances, toys, crockery, and many other things. The atmosphere in a repair cafe is friendly and welcoming. Visitors work together with the repair experts and learn useful skills during the repair process. The text says that repairing things becomes an ongoing learning process. This means people continue learning new repair skills every time they visit. People who do not have anything to repair can still enjoy spending time there. They may drink tea or coffee, help someone else with repairs, or read books and magazines about DIY projects and repairing things. The text explains that there are more than 2,200 repair cafes around the world. People can visit a repair cafe near them or even start one in their own area. The second part of the lesson explains why repair cafes are important. Modern society throws away huge amounts of useful things. Many people, especially young people, no longer know basic repair skills because these skills are slowly disappearing. This is dangerous for the future because repairing and reusing materials are important for protecting the environment. Repair cafes support a circular economy. A circular economy means that raw materials are reused again and again instead of being wasted. Repairing items helps reduce the need to produce new products, which saves energy and raw materials. The text also explains that manufacturing new products and recycling old ones release carbon dioxide, CO2, which harms the environment and contributes to climate change. Repairing items instead of replacing them reduces these harmful emissions. Another important benefit of repair cafes is education. Skilled volunteers pass on their practical knowledge to others. Repair cafe volunteers even visit schools to teach children how to repair things. This helps younger generations learn useful life skills. Repair cafes also change the way people think about their possessions. After repairing something, people begin to value and appreciate it more. The text says people see their possessions in a new light, meaning they understand their importance better. Finally, the text says repairing things can actually be fun and easier than many people think. The lesson encourages everyone to try repairing instead of throwing things away. The overall message is that repairing helps save money, protect the environment, reduce waste, and teach valuable skills. Answers of all questions. Comprehension A. Question 1. Who can go to a repair cafe? Answer. Anyone can go to a repair cafe. Question 2. What will you learn at a repair cafe? Answer. You will learn how to repair different items. Question 3. How are students being given the chance to learn about repairing things? Answer. Repair cafe volunteers visit schools and teach repair lessons. Comprehension B. Question 1. How would you describe the genre of this text? Answer. It is an informative non-fiction text. Question 2. Would you describe this text as formal or informal? Explain your answer with examples from the text. Answer: the text is mostly informal because it speaks directly to readers using friendly sentences like, why don't you give it a go? Question 3. People see their possessions in a new light when they have been repaired. What does "in a new light" mean? Answer: it means they understand and value their possessions differently and more positively. Comprehension C. Question 1. List all the benefits of repair cafes. Answer: repair cafes reduce waste, save money, teach skills, reduce pollution, protect the environment, and help people work together. Question 2. What do you think the atmosphere in a repair cafe would be like? Answer: the atmosphere would be friendly, helpful, relaxed, and cooperative. Grammar vocabulary exercises solved. Question: what does sustainable future mean? Answer: a future where resources are protected and not wasted. Question: what does circular economy mean? Answer: a system where materials are reused again and again. Question: what does CO2 emissions mean? Answer: carbon dioxide gases released into the air. Question: what does ongoing learning process mean? Answer: continuous learning over time. Question: what does DIY mean? Answer: do it yourself. Question: what does "in a new light" mean? Answer: to see or understand something differently. Question: what does "kindle" mean? Answer: to create or increase interest and enthusiasm. Question: what does appreciation mean? Answer: respect and value for something. Important MCQs with answers. What is the main topic of the lesson? A. Shopping malls. B. Repair cafes. C. Space travel. D. Sports clubs. Answer: B. Repair cafes. Why are many items thrown away? A. They are dangerous. B. People dislike them. C. People cannot repair them easily. D. They are too old. Answer: C. People cannot repair them easily. What is a repair cafe? A. A restaurant. B. A free repair meeting place. C. A shopping center. D. A school. Answer: B. A free repair meeting place. What can be repaired at a repair cafe? A. Clothes. B. Furniture. C. Toys. D. All of these. Answer: D. All of these. Who helps visitors repair items? A. Teachers. B. Volunteers with repair skills. C. Police officers. D. Drivers. Answer: B. Volunteers with repair skills. What can visitors drink at the cafe? A. Juice only. B. Tea or coffee. C. Milk only. D. Water only. Answer: B. Tea or coffee. What can people read at the reading table? A. Storybooks only. B. Newspapers only. C. Books about repairs and gear. D. Comics only. Answer: C. Books about repairs and gear. About how many repair cafes are there worldwide? A. 200. B. 500. C. 2200. D. 10,000. Answer: C. 2200. What does DIY stand for? A. Do it yourself. B. Do it yesterday. C. Drive it yourself. D. Draw it yourself. Answer: A. Do it yourself. What kind of text is this? A. Fiction. B. Poetry. C. Informative non-fiction. D. Drama. Answer: C. Informative non-fiction. What problem do landfill sites contain? A. Slightly broken items. B. Only food waste. C. Animals. D. Plants. Answer: A. Slightly broken items. Which generation especially lacks repair skills? A. Older people. B. Younger generations. C. Babies. D. Farmers. Answer: B. Younger generations. What is a circular economy? A. Buying more products. B. Reusing materials again and again. C. Throwing things away. D. Burning rubbish. Answer B. Reusing materials again and again. Why are repair skills important? A. They waste money. B. They protect the environment. C. They increase rubbish. D. They damage products. Answer B. They protect the environment. What gas is released during manufacturing? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. CO2. D. Hydrogen. Answer C. CO2. What does CO2 contribute to? A. Healthy forests. B. Climate change. C. More recycling. D. Better weather. Answer B. Climate change. What do repair cafes reduce? A. Skills. B. Waste. C. Learning. D. Creativity. Answer B. Waste. What do volunteers teach people? A. Cooking. B. Repair skills. C. Singing. D. Painting. Answer B. Repair skills. Where do volunteers also teach repair lessons? A. Hospitals. B. Airports. C. Schools. D. Factories. Answer C. Schools. What happens to possessions after repair? A. People value them more. B. People throw them away. C. They disappear. D. They become useless. Answer A. People value them more. What does "in a new light" mean? A. Under a lamp. B. With fear. C. In a different way. D. In darkness. Answer C. In a different way. What does the repair cafe want people to realize? A. Repairing is impossible. B. Repairing is fun and easy. C. Buying new things is better. D. Waste is necessary. Answer B. Repairing is fun and easy. What atmosphere would a repair cafe probably have? A. Angry. B. Competitive. C. Friendly and helpful. D. Silent. Answer C. Friendly and helpful. What happens when products are repaired instead of replaced? A. More pollution is created. B. Less waste is produced. C. Skills are forgotten. D. Factories close. Answer B. Less waste is produced. What is one benefit of repairing things? A. More rubbish. B. Saving money. C. More pollution. D. Wasting resources. Answer B. Saving money. What does sustainable future mean? A. A wasteful future. B. A future that protects resources. C. A future without people. D. A future without products. Answer B. A future that protects resources. What does appreciation mean in the text? A. Ignoring something. B. Valuing something. C. Throwing something away. D. Selling something. Answer B. Valuing something. What is the main purpose of repair cafes? A. To sell products. B. To repair and reuse items. C. To throw things away. D. To manufacture products. Answer B. To repair and reuse items. What does the lesson mainly encourage? A. Buying expensive products. B. Repairing instead of throwing away. C. Closing cafes. D. Avoiding volunteers. Answer B. Repairing instead of throwing away. What is the main message of the lesson? A. Waste should increase. B. Repairing helps people and the environment. C. Old things are useless. D. Recycling is impossible. Answer B. Repairing helps people and the environment.